Hi, Vince O'Malley here. Hope you're doing well. Good to have you here. And you're watching this video, which tells me you're doing some research on what is a capture page and how to build one that converts. Well, you're in the right place. And over the next few minutes, I shall give you some valuable tips on what a capture page is, what the purpose of a capture page is, and how you can actually build one that will convert really well, getting your visitors to opt in. This YouTube channel that you're on now is dedicated to people getting started in affiliate marketing. So click the subscribe button down below and let's try and build this channel as big as we can and help as many people as we can. But appreciate that. And if you want to, please click the link in the description directly below this video and get access to my free 4-day video training series. On here, you'll get lots of tips and strategies on how to get started in affiliate marketing. So, what is a capture page? Well, a capture page is like the front door to your business. It's where visitors will land after responding to your promotional material. So they could click on a link in a Google ad, a social media ad, a blog post, or even a YouTube video. Now the capture page has, it's like a single page website. There's no navigation and it's got one purpose, and that is for you to obtain the email address of that visitor. And this is normally done by offering something free in exchange for their email address. The free offer needs to be something that is very closely related to what they were searching for in the first place. And this can be in the form of an ebook, a PDF, or a free video training series. So why don't we now dive into the computer and let's have a look at a capture page that I've started, and we'll see how we can edit that and make it into a capture page that is going to convert really well. So a capture page is built using a funnel builder. Now, the funnel builder that I use is ClickFunnels. And the funnel builder can be used to build out your whole sales process or sales funnel. Sales funnel is an industry term used to describe the process or the steps that your customer goes through from first discovering you online to actually making a sale, and all the steps in between. As I say, I use ClickFunnels, probably the biggest and best one on the market, but there are several other funnel builders available if you do some research. So this is the back office of ClickFunnels, and we're just going to edit this capture page. So let's actually have a look what it looks like to start with. Okay, so the example that I'm doing here is for weight loss. Now, on first glance, this is a little bit boring. I can see several things wrong with it. Okay, so let's go in and actually edit this now. Okay, so that's going to load now. So first of all, let's have a look at the background image. Well, as I said, we're doing a weight loss example. So any image that you use needs to be appropriate. In this particular case, it's almost aspirational. If we were doing an example, make money online or how to play a musical instrument, then that image wouldn't make sense and obviously you wouldn't use it. So make sure that any image that you use is not distracted but is on the right theme. Now the feel of a capture page should be really quite simple. You don't want anything to distract the visitor. You want them to read the message, which needs the title, which needs to be enticing, and needs to hook them in and make them want to leave their email address and to see what is beyond this page. You also don't want to be having to scroll down the page to get all the information. Now I can see immediately on this page, because there are so many spaces, you're going to have to be scrolling. So that's not, as it is, this is not a good page. So let's do some editing. So let's have a look at the title. Free video series, how to lose 30 pounds without having to starve yourself. Okay, well, the message isn't bad. Free video series, I don't really like that there. So let's actually copy that and let's get rid of that for a moment. So let's just concentrate on this. This is what the customer is interested in. So how to lose 30 pounds without having to starve yourself. Well, there's the hook there, how to lose 30 pounds. So that is what the customer is interested in. They want to lose weight, and you're saying you could show them how to lose 30 pounds. And then something of benefit to them without having to starve themselves. So immediately that title there is very likely to get someone to opt in to your offer. Although, as it is, it's still not perfect. What I will do, they need to know what are they getting in exchange for leaving their email address. So let's add a sub-headline. That's what we want. Free video series. It still doesn't quite make sense. Free video training series, we're going to call that. And we need to make that text a little bit bigger. Take out that space there. Right, so I'm still not happy with this title, the way that looks. Let's see if we make that bold, see. Ah, yes, of course. Now, this is one of the great things with the ClickFunnels Builder. You can set the color of the text to be different if you make the letters bold. So, main part of the hook, how to lose 30 pounds. The second part, without having to starve yourself. So let's make that bold. Let's see what that looks like. It's a little bit heavy on text, so let's amend that a little bit. Well, that's looking better already. I don't like this border. Let's lose the border. To the advanced section, full border. That makes more sense. Free video training. Oh, hang on. Free video training session. Register below. Register below. Right, so instantly that would look better on one line. I think that's better. Right, this doesn't look right, so let's adjust that. Take out that gap. Reduce the size of that box and the text. And I might actually change this button as well. Access the free video training. There we go, and we'll take out that gap. It's beginning to look like a capture page. Now, by reducing all this, what we're doing is making the feel of the page much better. When a visitor clicks on your link and is taken to this page, they don't want to be scrolling up and down the page trying to find out what they've got to do. It needs to be clear, concise. Let's just save those changes. And let's preview the page and see what the customer will see. In fact, before we do that, let's just have a look. This is what it was originally. Not very inspiring. And now let's have a look at what it is now. So immediately that title jumps off the page. How to lose 30 pounds without having to starve yourself. Free video training series, register below. Everything is there that the customer needs to make a decision. And so there is your completed capture page, and that will convert really, really well. Well, I hope you found that useful. Hope it all made sense. What a capture page is and how easy it is to edit one to make it into a high converting page. So yeah, if you've got some value from that video, thumbs up would be great. And don't forget, you can click the link in the description below the video to get access to my free 4-day training series. Lots of tips and strategies in there how to get going in affiliate marketing. Well, that's it for today. Hope you've enjoyed the video and hope to see you in the next one. Take care now. Bye-bye.